This video presentation demonstrates how UiPath AutoPilot seamlessly integrates with SAP to manage sales orders using natural language commands. Through this demonstration, we will explore how AutoPilot can retrieve lists, display details, and update sales orders efficiently. Step 1. Retrieving sales orders from SAP. To begin, we examine the SAP interface, where two sales orders, SO1 and SO2, are available in the system. Next, we switch to UiPath AutoPilot and input a command in natural language. Give me the list of sales orders from SAP. AutoPilot processes the command and retrieves all sales orders from SAP via OData, displaying key details like order number, user, amount. Step 2. Fetching sales order details. Next, we instruct AutoPilot to provide details for sales order 1. AutoPilot processes the request, recommends the appropriate workflow, and automatically populates the sales order number parameter. The process, again utilizing an OData connection, extracts and displays all relevant order details, including individual line items and their associated data. Step 3. Updating the requested delivery date. To modify the requested delivery date, we provide a new date in natural language. AutoPilot processes the command, recommends the appropriate workflow, and presents a user-friendly date and time selection window. Upon execution, UiPath updates the SAP system via the OData connection. We then verify the changes in SAP, confirming the new requested delivery date of March 20th, 2025. Step 4. Generating and sending a sales order summary. Finally, we instruct AutoPilot to generate a summary of sales order 1 and send it via email to negulescu@gmail.com. While an initial error occurs due to the system saving the email as a draft by default, we review a previously received email. The email contains a well-structured table summarizing the sales order details extracted from SAP. Conclusion. UiPath AutoPilot enables comprehensive SAP system control using natural language commands. While this demonstration focuses on sales order management, the same capabilities extend to various other SAP functionalities and additional enterprise systems. This level of automation enhances efficiency, reduces manual effort, and streamlines business processes.